called Bird's Eye View. Nice. That feels loud. Does that feel loud? Yeah. Too loud. Up. Oh. Better? Yeah. I've got a bird's eye view, shot up through the clouds for better advantage. Thought the view from above would teach me how to manage, how to fight in the war on the ground. But all that I found is it's just a bird's eye view. Won't teach me a thing about bloodshed or carnage, but that moment of light, yes, that sweet disconnection, so good, I don't dare to hold on. There's a place I can visit, far away from myself. My silhouette asks who is it, but I wouldn't know, 'cause the more that I go, the less I return. The cost of the bird's eye view, it's not worth the perspective, but it helps with survival. They tell